The secret of quantum teleportation is simple. But it's a secret.
Yo, welcome back to Bobbville. It's your boy Bob. Today we got a quick one, but a good one. We're going over making our player teleport. So I drew up this portal door, gave it a box collider 2D that is triggered, and a simple portal door script. So let's bust that open. Starting off, we got a public transform called spawn point. That's just going to find the location where our player is going to go after we collide with it. And then a public float timer, because we have an animation that plays that lasts about 3 seconds. So we'll have that play before the player actually teleports. Then we'll find the player and then give our door an animator. So in the start method, we're just going to find the object with tag spawn and just get its transform. So that's its position there. And then call our animation component, obviously. And then we just have a void on trigger in the 2D. That's basically checking to see if our player collides with it. Then we'll play the animation and then start that coroutine teleport. The teleport enumerator just sets our player to false, waits for the timer to play, repositions our player to be at the spawn point, and then sets them back active to true. Pretty simple. Save that, head back to Unity, drag all that in. We have our spawn point transform that I made. I'll double click that and show you where we'll spawn at. Cool little trick here is you can kind of make it visual, so it's not just a blank arrow you're setting at. You just go up to this icon, select the color, and then hit that kind of wireframe there. And you see now you can actually see it labeled. But drag that into the spawn point. Our timer is automatically set to 3, and then slide in that player object, and then press play, and we can see what happens. Probably could have set them a little closer to the door, but you guys get the point. So we jump into the portal, the animation plays, we reappear back at the exact location of our spawn point. Hope this helped some of y'all out. It was definitely really useful for me. Like and sub if you haven't already. Thanks for making it to the end. Stay tuned for our last joke of the video. And until next time, peace.
What do you call a cute portal? Ah, adorable.